personal favorites at Unique Specialty and Classics. Don't get them in too often though. Rare car. This is a 1987 Buick GNX. Actually number 153 of 547 produced. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actual miles. Odometer shows 32,263 right now. Of course, underneath the hood, 3.8 liter turbocharged V6. Take a look at the reflection and the shine of that paint on the hood. This car shows well. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Take a look at the front grille. Bumper, headlight surrounds. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the engine bay, undersides, interior, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right to our website where you can see all the pictures. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Take a look down the passenger side of this car. You can see it's free of nicks, dings, or scratches. I mean, it is black. You may find a small imperfection here or there, but overall, this car shows as it should with that kind of miles on it. Well taken care of, adult owned and driven. Of course, the 200 R4 automatic with overdrive transmission. Center console, bucket seats. Here's your dash plaque with the number GNX. It is 153. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. If you have a good eye, you're going to notice that those wheels in the back a little wider than the stock wheels. I have the stock wheels right here, and yes, these are GNX stock wheels on the back. For the GNX experts out there, you're going to see an offset right here. 8JJ by 16, and also rear use only. It's marked in there. So those are the original rear wheels. Those will go with the car. Also nice shape. You'll be able to see them in the still pictures. Speaking of those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Again, you can see the paint has a nice shine to it, the reflection off the wall. Sign behind us. uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all those still pictures. All right, let's take a look down the driver's side. And again, you can see how straight these panels are. See all the way to the front door. All right, let's take a little closer look at the interior. There is a security system on this car. I want to show you. Go over a few more of the features. Of course, power windows, power locks. You can see the door panels, armrest, all in nice shape. Power seat over here on the driver's side, and very little wear on the seating surface. Again, what you'd expect on a low mile, well taken care of car. Tilt column, cruise control. Of course, the Grand Nationals were taken and sent over to ASC where the conversions were done on these GNXs. All right, so hopefully I can do this. What we have is a number 1 right here in the key fob. We want to press that while we're turning this key. But first, we just put it to the on position, and there's kind of like an infrared light down here that we want to have our shoe basically underneath that parking brake. Then we're going to come up here. We're going to take the number 1 button. Hopefully I can push this and turn at the same time. Let's see if I can do this. A little tough with one hand, a lot easier with two, obviously. So, security system on it. No one's going to jump in this car and not knowing how to start it, take off with it. Exact miles, 32,263. Top of the dash. Looks good. There is a trans temperature. Someone has added for a gauge for the trans temperature, and then a scan master. Just being able to watch vitals of the engine, what have you. Previous owner did it. Man, it's a nice looking car. Steering wheel condition, all nice shape. How about the headliner? Look at that. Headliner's great in it too. You'll be able to see the rear seats in the still pictures probably a lot better in the video. Check out the still pictures. There are a few miscellaneous things that will go with the car too. There's that ASC plate, GNX hat. Make sure that goes along with, as well as those wheels. Slip around to the exit here and run. Of course, you got to remember it was 1987. Not a lot of horsepower being produced back then. This car was a brute. Very quick. All right, let me pause this a second. We're going to pop the hood. Let's check out that engine bay. There we go, the hood open. See the hood liner. Nice shape. You can tell this car's not been driven in climate weather. Nice and clean and tidy. And there it is. GNX power plant. Of course, the GNX heat shield. There's a battery disconnect here too for when it's in storage or in between drives. Great looking engine bay, really free of corrosion, grease, or grime. And listen to how good that runs. Be a fun one to take out, no doubt about that. 1987 Buick GNX, real deal, number 153 of 547 produced. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures, underside, trunk, engine bay, all over this car. We do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving an awesome 1987 Buick GNX. This would be the top of the heap for 1987. Faster than a lot of V8s out there. Beautiful, all black, of course, for a GNX with gray interior with black accents. Turbo power. We're gonna take it easy on this guy. Taking it easy means you still feel that turbo kick in. Lots of power, lots of fun. This is an automatic right here on the center console, so it is easy to drive. Power steering, of course, from Buick. Blower motor works, factory stereo works. Tachometer in the dash working. Speedometer working well, showing 55 miles an hour right now. The turbo gauge is right between 20 and 10. Our fuel gauge is almost 3/4 of a tank, and the oil pressure is 75. The temperature is 160. Beautiful car, an icon of the 80s. An icon in the car world in general. Brakes are working very well. You can hear that turbo whistle just a bit when you get on the throttle. It's a lovely sound. Corners as you would expect for an 87 GNX. Yeah, I wouldn't want to put that throttle all the way down. Need to have some sticky tires. If I let go of the wheel, this car stays where you put it. Comfortable cloth bucket seats. Very, very nice car. The odometer showing 32,262 at the moment. Would love to have some fun on a track with this car. The rarest of the rare for the Buick Grand Nationals, and the best. Read all about this car. Find more pictures and all the details you're looking for at UniqueClassicCars.com.